Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll be talking about the best 3D printers under $800. Each 3D printers output impeccable prints and come with a range of features that you can leverage to bring your projects to life. These 3D printers can be used in any condition and are perfect for any 3D printing enthusiast. We all know that a 3D printer can be a great addition to your creative arsenal, and if you're on a budget, you don't have to break the bank to get one. To help you out, we've put together a list of the top 3D printers for under $800. These 3D printers are especially for users who can make the most of each feature while providing quality prints. For your help, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is FLASHFORGE Adventurer 4 3D Printer. FlashForge Adventurer 4 Pro 3D Printer is an optimistic and ideal companion for creators and enthusiasts looking for the best 3D printer under $800. This extraordinary machine introduces cutting-edge features that ignite your imagination and elevate your printing experience. Imagine effortlessly achieving picture-perfect prints with the smart 30-point automatic leveling. This genius feature ensures that every intricate detail of your design comes to life flawlessly. This printer guarantees neat and smooth first-layer line extrusion by intelligently detecting and compensating for any unevenness in the print bed. Speed demons rejoice! With its upgraded XY axis structure and lightning-fast 0.4 to 240 degrees Celsius high-speed copper nozzle, the Adventurer 4 Pro will leave you breathless. It cranks the printing speed to a mind-boggling 300 millimeters per second, saving you 40% to 60% of precious time. Want to dabble in carbon fiber materials? No problem! Cooling down has never been cooler. Thanks to the innovative dual ducts and 3 fans, your models receive efficient and rapid cooling, resulting in impeccable surface finishes. The Adventurer 4 Pro even goes the extra mile by adding a cooling fan on the extruder, turbocharging the cooling speed during printing. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. Number 2 is the official FullSun V400 3D printer. Regarding 3D printing, the FullSun V400 Delta 3D printer takes the crown as the reigning champion under $800. Prepare to be blown away by its mind-blowing features and cutting-edge technology that will leave you in awe. Buckle up for a high-speed printing adventure like no other. With an astonishing printing speed of 400 millimeters per second, this printer zooms through projects faster than a cheetah chasing its prey. And hold on tight because the 8000 plus mm/s superscript 2 acceleration will make your jaw drop with every swift movement. Get ready for a hassle-free printing experience with the FLSUN Speeder Pad. Featuring a 7-inch wide-angle IPS screen, it's a plug-and-play wonderland where no additional configuration is needed. Dive into 3D printing with ease and watch your imagination come to life. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 3 is FullSun Sonic Mighty 8K 3D Printer. Introducing the game-changing FullSun Sonic Mighty 8K LCD Resin 3D Printer, the undisputed champion in the under $800 category. Enable your creativity with this machine that delivers mind-blowing prints like never before. Print more significant and better with an astonishing 8K resolution, capturing every intricate detail with a precision of 28 Brace yourself for an unrivaled printing experience as the Sonic Mighty 8K effortlessly produces crisp, sharp, jaw-dropping creations that will leave you in awe. With its compact footprint, this powerhouse fits seamlessly into any printing space, ensuring convenience without compromising performance. Equipped with a 10-inch LCD screen and dual linear rails, this printer is designed to boost your productivity and efficiency, making every print a breeze and worried about wobbling or annoying layer lines. Fear not! The solid dual linear rails and thick T-plate guarantee consistent success rates, while the frosted laser-cut building plate ensures the firm attachment of your models. To top it all off, the FullSun Go app lets you take control of your printing empire from anywhere. Manage one or multiple printers remotely easily, making printing more convenient. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 4 is Ideaformer 3D-IR3V1 3D printer. The Ideaformer 3D-IR3V1 Belt 3D printer is one of the most remarkable 3D printers available for under $800. Its innovative features will take your printing experience to new heights, sparking your creativity and pushing the boundaries of what you can create. Let's start with the game-changing Infinite Z-axis. With this printer, you can unleash your imagination and print models of any length. Whether you're looking to batch print multiple models or explore uncharted territories in printing, the IR3V1 has got you covered. Equipped with a direct extruder hot end, this printer ensures precise and reliable filament extrusion. The all-metal hot end, featuring a hardened steel BMG gear, provides durability and efficiency. You can use it separately as an extruder or attach a heating block throat for a lighter, more versatile print head. Say goodbye to accuracy problems caused by pulley wear. The stainless steel linear guide rail, replacing the traditional POM pulley, enhances accuracy, reduces noise, and increases durability. Its girder 4-point contact design ensures superior load-bearing capacity and exceptional rigidity. If you are inquisitive about this 3D printer, check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 5 is the official Creality K1 3D printer. If anyone is searching for the ultimate 3D printing experience without breaking the bank, look no further than the official Creality K1 3D printer. This cutting-edge marvel is a game-changer, offering an exhilarating journey into 3D printing. With mind-blowing speed, the Creality K1 leaves its competitors in the dust. Prepare to be amazed as it reaches a staggering maximum speed of 600 mm per second, a jaw-dropping 12 times faster than regular 3D printers. Say goodbye to long waiting times and hello to instant gratification. Not only is it lightning fast, but the Creality K1 also boasts a superior heating system. Equipped with an upgraded ceramic heater, this printer reaches a scorching 200 degrees Celsius in just 40 seconds, ensuring your filament melts seamlessly, providing top-notch print quality. But the wonders of this printer don't stop there. The Creality K1 operates on the intuitive and user-friendly Creality OS. Powered by a mighty dual-core 1.2 GHz CPU, it even has the option to add an AL LiDAR or AL camera for those seeking to push the boundaries of creativity. Please note, these accessories are sold separately. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer under $800. If you want to purchase any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.